yeah guys, that is it. To be honest, it's it's a buzz. Yeah man, actually feeling fresh, like real fresh guys. To be honest, it's a magnificent so. I figure more or less I'm gonna have to WhatsApp more. Yeah man, I'm gonna have dialogue with her. I guess I can put her number in the comment section so y'all can reach out via WhatsApp. Yeah man, but I'm gonna have dialogue with her first. So if y'all see this video and you know the energy come down, you don't see the number, it's because I don't, but I say reach out to moms as if to make sure know exactly what I'm gonna do, because they can't just give out a one's number like that, even though they're doing business. Probably she have a business number, I don't know guys, but as time progresses, as I said, I'm gonna make sure y'all can get y'all so as well. Yeah man, trust me, feeling fresh. I'm just, well, let's say I'm a bit lost for words guys, but I just went to the barber and put myself together, so real fresh. The universe have a lot in store for every one of us. Yeah man, I'm here today just to say this is called pillow chat. Yeah man, and I have this much to say. Learn to appreciate the little things that you have in life. Yeah man, I never know when your time will come. Say all of that for say this. I've learned from past events not to be bitter, not to be too caught up in the distractions of this here world. Once more, I'm going to share another story. Yeah man, this one is a bit different from the previous stories. Over the years, I've been blessed with good friends, bad friends, and all of the indifference. Yeah man, but I'm here to speak about one friend. A friend that I wish that I could have saved, but I couldn't, because nature took its way. Sometimes the universe have other plans. Yeah man, and it's not good for you to sit around and beat up yourself about what you don't have any control over. Say that for say this, say that, say this for say that. Yeah man, I had a friend. Yeah man, he was less fortunate. No one knew. Well, a few persons did. Yeah man, he lost everything. He lost his mom, he lost his dad. No family member. Yeah man. And strange note, we meet up because we have the same characteristics, I would say. He's the type of young man that, he's always out and about and doing right by others and by himself. Yeah man, he chose a route, or he took a route that even until today I ever so often look back and want to question it. But as I said from before, the universe plans, while man a plan, God a wipe. Yeah man, but he was, well, we got so close as friends, close to the point where we're not funny guys. Yeah man, at no given time. But things were so bad that we had to share the same underpants, put it like that. So if he was going to Morant Bay, Kingston, anywhere on the island, we would have to wash that one underpants, and anyone going on the road, anyone who going on the road will wear that underpants. Yeah man, knowingly that you don't want to go up on the road and you drop down and somebody to help you and you go to hospital and them say, boy, I really this you have on, or you not have on underpants. Say all of that we say this again guys. We face some really tough times as brothers. Yeah man, because it passed friend stage. Believe me guys. Yeah man. But as brothers we develop a bond like no other. Yeah man, each one help the other. So if he's cooking, I am out working. When I come in with the cash, we take on done fashion and, put ourselves together as brothers. Yeah, man. And just when life is about to get better, I remember that day we had dialogue and we speak so highly on topics that, you know, we're gonna make life help to build each other and make life better. And, if we should branch off to other areas of life, things will work out to be to greater good. Little did I know that he had other plans. Yeah, man. So the day we were there and, talking, and everything seems quite normal. And he was about to cook. Yeah, man. I was the one to cook, to be fair. Yeah, man. But the young lady that I was dating, she was at home with me at the time. Yeah, man. So she wanted to go home. So I decided to take her home. So he was cooking. Funniest thing about it, when I left, I actually called him before I, board a cab, and mentioned to him that, hey, bro, enough food in there, because we were working, guys, on and off work, but we stock the place with food. And he was cooking, and I mentioned to him, say, hey, bro, I need some curry chicken back. Yeah, man. And him said, no problem, bro, man. A brown stew me that cooking, man, but me a throw on the curry. That's how close we'll be, guys. Did you know? Little did you know that my bro cooked the food, didn't eat any, went around by the bathroom, it seems, and he hanged himself. It's a bit harsh to swallow, really harsh pill to swallow. Yeah, man. As I said, I don't really question it, guys, because we as Jamaicans say, when you do certain things, heaven and a part with you. But say all of that, we say this, guys. If you have a loved one, if you have a friend, if you have anyone close or far from you, and you feel a certain way in terms of good, bad, or indifference, let them know. And let our ones know. Just let them know how much you do care. Sometimes it helps, sometimes it doesn't. Because I can say this once. I love my bro. Yeah, man. And it's a bit sad that he did what he did, for whatever reason that he did. But I am a firm example of one of those persons, or one of them persons, that will say, let love grow, man, despite of the ups and downs. I love alone, man. I have a lot more stories like this to share, and I invite you all along, just to soak up some of the yard energy. And I hope that y'all can learn a thing or two. Say, look, listen, and you will learn. But anyway, come on, yard, man. This one is about appreciation, guys. Learning to appreciate the simple things in life. You never know what the future holds. Come on, yard.